Tensions with Hamas stretch back to the days of Hosni Mubarak. In 2008, Egypt's former president accused Hamas of bombings in the Sinai region and of spreading fundamentalism. He tried unsuccessfully to shut the tunnels that link Sinai to Gaza, the Hamas heartland.
The tunnels are managed by Hamas. They start as a source of food for the poverty-stricken Gaza, but then turned into multi-billion-dollar smuggling business for the group. Everything from food, petrol, stolen cars, drugs, even weapons and militants.
The tunnel network flourished under Mubarak's successor Mohammed Morsi. Hamas is a long-standing ally of Morsi's Muslim Brotherhood. The Egyptian government says the Brotherhood and Hamas are one entity, intent on spreading terror to avenge the ousting of Morsi 5 months ago. It claims they helped plan attacks in several cities, including last month's suicide bombing on a police station north of Cairo that killed 16 people.
The Brotherhood leaders worked with Hamas, which hosted them in Gaza and provided logistical support and training on different types of arms and weapons at the Qassam Brigade camps in Gaza. We have evidence that the elements were involved in the bombing of the security headquarters in the Khalia.
The Brotherhood has repeatedly denied it's to blame for the violence, and Hamas too insists it is not involved, though it has conceded it has close ties to the Brotherhood. Hamas tried to ease tensions with the current leadership, but the government refused unless the group closes all tunnels and stops cooperation with the Brotherhood, something Hamas is reluctant to do. The government says 2,000 Hamas militants came through the tunnels during Morsi's rule. A military operation has been underway in the Sinai since his ouster. That's to seal the tunnels and wipe out the gunmen. The army says it has achieved 80% of its targets so far. Yasser Hakim for CCTV, Cairo.